Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today from BoyBilbo81. It's the Punisher number 17, and it's on a ERA cylinder. So we're gonna see about getting into this thing, and I need one of those little holders that go in the vise, you know, the little 3D printed ones, and also one of those front little loader thingies that they make be nice too, but I don't have one of those things. I should go ahead and get some, but I just haven't got around to it. I don't deal with these too much that aren't cut in half already. I'm going in the back. It's kind of a Yale keyway, so you kind of got to go around the corner and get the pins lined up with your pick. Okay, we're doing a lot of walking through and I'm feeling a whole lot of nothing. I got a little click there. Pin one gave me a little something. Start walking back. Got a little movement there. They're just kind of falling along, falling in, you know. Oh, I got a lot of movement on that. I don't know what I touched, but I touched something and it dropped big time. Ooh. Gotta make sure I'm not turning just the core itself. I'm actually pushing on a pin. There, got a pin there. Nothing. 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 Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know if I was on a pin then. And we're open. All right. Very nice. It was a long hanging pin. I think it was a number 4 that just had to get around and then come back underneath from behind, or at least I did. So there's my pusher here. Got it up enough. I think I got it up enough. Yeah. Don't keep turning. I didn't say turn. You go there. Okay, we turn like that. Just turn a little more. I have to break out a new shim. This is getting pretty worn down, and that's a long way to go. I don't even think that's gonna really help, but we just got to get it past that notch over. I think we're okay. That's a long tail piece. It really is. Well, I can see some work done in there. Get in the tray. Wow, all these bottom pins have got work done to them, and let me see here. We got threading in 2, threading in 4, Looks like partial threading and maybe Yeah, just there's undercutting in 5, it feels like. And I think that might just be, is it light undercutting or it might, yeah, it might be a little light undercutting there. Okay. Get that dog hair out of here, which never wants to leave. And we'll see about getting this. We get maybe some more light on that. Ooh, here we go. Try not to mess it up. Oh, see, I knew it had a strong spring on it. Oh man. Yeah, wow, that's mean. That had a real strong spring on it. Wow, that's a long, I don't know if I've even got any springs that long. Jeez. Man, thing's huge. Easy does it. Oh, I don't like them surprises. Now I got to be careful, which slows me down real bad. Come back a little bit, you dugger. There you go. Huh, that one's loosely. That's a different kind of spring there. Okay. Wow. You guys can hurry through this if you want. I think I got my camera a little closer to this. Oh, that one's got a strong spring on it. Trying to let it up easy. Ah, dog. Man, that's a monster. Wow. Would you get back a little bit? Oh, you dog. Keeps it. Wow. That's a weird spring. Ooh. I hate that this is, you can't go into the back on these because it's so far the other way too. Dog. Oh, come on, cooperate. Shoot. Just felt that sucker move forward again. Oh, you. Man. I hate when that happens. Whew. Last but not least, and I'm going to hate putting this back together too. Another strong spring that just blows it out of there. Well, shoot. Pretty sure it's probably in that way with this spring here. Yeah, my guttings take a lot longer. And I don't see anything done in there. Looks like it's just all stock. Okay, BoyBilbo81, the Punisher. Here are your different springs. A variety of different ones and strengths. And okay, this one's upside down, but wow, that's some really cool pin work. So yeah, that's what we got in this lot, guys. So thank you for sending this out, buddy. And thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.